Welcome to the seventh session of Introduction to Cyber Crimes. In today's session, we will study what is email bombing and how it works. Next, we will study what is password sniffing and how it works. Next, we will study what is credit card fraud and how it works. And last, we will study what is identity theft and how it works. Let's see what is email bombing or mail bombs. Suppose if you have Android mobile and its storage capacity is 32 GB. So in your mobile you can store up to 32 GB. Suppose your phone memory gets full, you cannot add any data in your mobile unless you delete something from your phone. In email also there is some memory capacity to store email. For Gmail account it's 15 GB. If that memory gets full, you cannot send any email or you cannot receive any email to your email account unless you delete some emails from your email account. Here, criminal try to send number of emails to victim's account so that you cannot use that email account for particular time. Email bombing refers to sending a large number of emails to the victim to crash victim's email account. Victim can be an individual person or a company's mail servers or an email service provider. Computer program can be written to instruct a computer to send emails repeatedly. By instructing a computer to repeatedly send email to a specified person's email address, the criminal can overwhelm the receptionist's personal account or potentially shut down the entire systems. This may or may not be illegal, but it certainly trouble for some time. Now we will see what is password sniffing. Suppose a person opens a particular website by using username and password, and if that website is not secure, criminal will insert a program which is called as password sniffer. If victim installs that sniffer, it will record username and password and send it to the criminal. Password sniffers are programs that monitor and record the username and password of network users as they log in, which has less security at a site. Whoever installs the sniffer can then give an unauthorized user and login to access restricted documents to the criminal. Now we will see what is credit card frauds. Information security requirements for anyone handling credit cards have been increased recently. Millions of rupees may be lost annually by customers who have credit card and calling card numbers stolen from online databases. Here, criminals try to get the details such as credit card number, credit card holder's name, and mobile number from credit card company's database. After getting the details, he will try to call customer and ask for the OTP. If he gets OTP from credit card owner, he can make online transaction. The purpose of doing this may be to obtain goods without paying or to obtain unauthorized funds from an account. Next, we will see what is identity theft. Here, criminal will try to collect identity details such as voter ID, Aadhaar card, bank account details, ration card, PAN card, driving license, etc. of another person for fake identity. Identity theft is a fraud involving another person's identity for an illegal purpose. This occurs when a criminal uses someone else's identity for his own illegal purposes. For example, to obtain credit card, to steal monies from victims' bank accounts, to create accounts with utility companies for renting an apartment. The criminal can steal unlimited funds in the victim's name without the victim even knowing about it for months, sometimes even for years. So, in today's session, we have studied what is email bombing. So, basically, email bombing means sending number of emails repeatedly to a particular email ID. Next one we have studied password sniffing. Here, criminal try to send a program into the website to record username and password. Next we have studied credit card fraud. Here, by using the credit card details, a criminal try to collect the money from others' account. Next, we have studied identity theft. Here, criminal try to collect identity details of other person for his personal use. That's it for today's session. In next session, we will study few other criminal crimes.